So let's talk about the elephant in the room. We've got the continued bleed out, if you will, of the crypto market right now down 1% at 2,210,000,000,000. We've lost another 30 or 40 billion in market cap from earlier today, about 3 or 4 hours ago. So we continue to see a slight bleeding scenario. Why? We're going to talk about it. We all know what it is. It is the US election that is tomorrow, November 5th. And I think that this is probably one of the most concise examples slash definitions of what we're talking about here. Like, and I'm just going to basically read this almost verbatim. The 2024 U.S. election hangs in the balance, with crypto enthusiasts, crypto holders keenly watching as both Trump's crypto-friendly stance. We know that Trump is crypto-friendly, and Harris's regulatory approach. We know that the current administration, Biden / Harris, has historically been pretty anti-crypto. Gensler, SEC, other things that they have done as far as the overall messaging related to crypto, again, much more of a regulatory approach. Anti-crypto, some people would say that. So either way, it could swing Bitcoin's future, potentially making this election a make or break moment for the industry's regulatory landscape. I 1,000,000% agree. And therein lies what's happening, okay, is that you see people developing this wait and see attitude of like, okay, I'm just going to sit on the sidelines, pull my money out. $230 billion now gone from the market capitalization. And I'm talking about that number right there in the last 3 or 4 days. Okay. Now, is this, it's gone away for good? No, it's people pulling their money and setting it on the sidelines. We got Bitcoin below 68,000 now. Ethereum doing its thing, not really going anywhere, hanging around that $2,400 to $2,600 range. Hasn't done a whole heck of a lot. But you can see everything is a little flat. Now we've got Dogecoin running a little bit. In fact, it's the #1 gainer in the top 100 right now from a percentage up 7%. It's the outlier, only one really doing anything. Shiba Inu doing something a little bit. What you see money there is money shifting over into meme coins. Meme coins are a pretty good gauge of retail investment dollars. A lot of it new retail investment dollars, by the way. But you can see everything is, again, flat. Chainlink's down 4%, Polkadot respectively, is SUI. You know, it's a mixed bag. The point is people have developed this wait and see attitude. Okay, now the problem that we're going to run into is tomorrow, and I said this earlier in a video and I've said it yesterday, is that yes, tomorrow is the elections, and officially / technically we should have the results by end of business tomorrow, tomorrow late night. Probably not going to happen. The reason it's not going to happen is there are swing battle states out there that have come out, like Pennsylvania, and I even think Michigan. I've even heard Arizona has said that they are saying publicly that they may not have the ballot tallies done by tomorrow, after the polling booths close and going into tomorrow night. So we could see this drag on. If we see this drag on, you're going to continue to see crypto bleed. You're going to continue to see crypto bleed out. And I'm talking about that number and that number because of the uncertainty and people wanting to have their money on the sidelines, waiting to see what plays out, who wins, all of that. That's where we're at, guys. Okay. Am I tired of talking about it? Yep, I sure as hell am. I mean, I wish we could get past this and get into some bull run territory, get things going. Bitcoin actually ended up October up 11%, 11.25%, which was actually pretty good considering how rough October was. And October should have been a great month for us, but we had the Israel-Iran war conflict. We had a lot of that going on. We have the continuing uncertainty around, obviously, the election and all that kind of stuff. So historically, let's end on a positive note. Kind of going back over to this, there was a chart here that has gone. There it is. Bitcoin has done well after elections, regardless of the outcome. And I would kind of leave you with that note, regardless of who wins, Harris or Trump. Historically, Bitcoin has done well over that period of time, and you can see it like right here. These are the elections. You can see the elections respectively in these blue dotted lines. 404 days after, Bitcoin's gone up. 372 days, Bitcoin's gone up. So we'll have to continue to see how this plays out. So I'll leave you that with a final positive note. See you.